To ensure that your gardening endeavors are successful and enjoyable, having the right tools at your disposal is crucial. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Hozelock EasyMix 2-in-1. This eco-friendly composter, crafted from 90% recycled plastic, is a sustainable solution for turning organic waste into a nutrient-rich compost. Impressively, it can produce compost in a short span of 6 to 8 weeks, providing an efficient way to reduce kitchen and garden waste. Moreover, this composter generates liquid fertilizer, which can be used to nourish plants. With a price tag of around $150, it offers an affordable and environmentally conscious way to manage organic materials and enhance your gardening efforts. Makita DCU604 18V LXT. Makita, the renowned Japanese construction company, has unveiled an electric pickup truck designed to transport up to 300 kilograms of cargo. This versatile vehicle comes equipped with multiple speed settings, 4 batteries for extended usage, built-in headlights for added visibility, and boasts a continuous working time of approximately 100 minutes. Priced at $5,600, it offers a practical and eco-friendly solution for various hauling needs. BG-Mosquitaire. This innovative mosquito control product mimics the scent of human breath and skin to attract mosquitoes over a significant area. This environmentally friendly solution is non-toxic and boasts a coverage range of up to 600 square meters. Priced at $200, it offers an effective and eco-conscious way to keep outdoor spaces mosquito-free. Wire Tightener Drahtspanner. Here's a cost-effective solution for various tasks such as marking plots, preparing fence netting, and setting up wire trellises. These wire tighteners, priced at approximately $4, offer affordability without compromising on functionality. Whether you're working on your garden or tackling fencing projects, these tools have got you covered without breaking the bank. Yarbo Garden Robot. During CES 2023, the introduction of Yarbo, a diligent garden robot, garnered significant attention. This innovative robot is equipped to handle a wide range of tasks throughout the year, making it a versatile addition to any outdoor space. Yarbo's functions encompass mowing lawns with precision, efficiently removing snow and projecting it up to a remarkable distance of 16 meters, and clearing away leaves and debris using a powerful airflow mechanism. This multi-purpose garden robot aims to simplify outdoor maintenance and enhance the overall experience of maintaining your outdoor living spaces. Gardena Micro-Drip. Gardena offers a precise drip irrigation system designed to minimize water wastage. Available as individual components, this system can be tailored to your specific needs. Whether you prefer an above-ground or below-ground setup, Gardena's drip irrigation system provides a flexible and efficient solution for your watering needs. Gopher Hawk. Introducing a simple, fast, and humane solution for dealing with moles and gophers. This trap is designed to be inserted into burrow openings and effectively catches the pests, helping you maintain a pest-free garden or lawn. Priced at $39, it offers an affordable and efficient way to tackle this common problem. Gardena Zoommax. This German-made sprinkler is a vital component of an advanced irrigation system, offering the convenience of remote control and customization via a smartphone. Designed to cover square and rectangular areas of up to 140 square meters, it ensures efficient and precise watering for your garden or lawn. With this innovative technology, you can easily tailor your irrigation needs to promote healthy and lush vegetation. Roamwild Multi-Digger Weeder. This economical weeding tool seamlessly merges a hoe with a serrated edge and a root cutter. This ingenious design prioritizes user-friendliness and longevity. Priced at just $50, it offers an efficient and cost-effective solution for keeping your garden free of weeds while ensuring durability to withstand regular use. SelfEco Pot. These eco-conscious plant pots are crafted from sustainable materials, ensuring they decompose naturally over time. You can purchase a pair of these environmentally friendly plant pots for approximately $15. This not only allows you to nurture your plants, but also helps minimize your environmental footprint. Bypass Tree Lopper. Introducing a precision lopper engineered to effortlessly cut branches up to 32 millimeters in diameter while safeguarding neighboring branches from harm. Priced at $273 and backed by a robust 10-year warranty, this lopper combines efficiency and durability, making it a valuable tool for your gardening needs. Ego Misting Fan. Meet a powerful cooling solution, a fan that disperses refreshing water mist to cool an impressive area of up to 50 square meters. Priced at $200, this fan is not only cost-effective, but also environmentally friendly. On a single charge, it can operate for a remarkable 60 hours, ensuring you stay comfortable even during extended heat waves. With an impressive airflow speed of up to 32 kilometers per hour, this fan is your go-to choice for beating the summer heat. Edyn. A revolutionary way to take your gardening to the next level, smart gardening sensors that keep tabs on a multitude of essential parameters and offer expert recommendations, all at your fingertips via a user-friendly app. Designed with sustainability in mind, these solar-powered sensors and controllers are the result of a collaborative effort with the innovative Fuse project team. Each unit is priced at just $120, making it an affordable and efficient addition to your gardening toolkit. Get ready to watch your plants thrive like never before with these cutting-edge sensors. Aqua Joe AJ-ET2Z. A handy solution to simplify your watering routine, an automated watering timer equipped with versatile 7-day schedule and 2 independently configurable zones. Priced at just $44, this timer makes it a breeze to ensure your plants receive the right amount of hydration without the hassle. Say goodbye to manual watering and hello to convenience with this budget-friendly garden accessory. Gardening is a fulfilling and therapeutic pastime, and having the right equipment can make it even more enjoyable and productive. The gardening tools and equipment we've explored here are designed to help you create and maintain a beautiful and bountiful garden. Whether you have a green thumb or are just discovering your love for gardening, these essential tools are your trusty companions in the journey to cultivate a vibrant and flourishing outdoor space. So invest in the equipment that suits your gardening needs, and watch your garden thrive with care and attention. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.